Ordinary people can become extraordinary if they revolutionize their habits. You lift yourself to uplift others. Sureness of the growth is less expensive than the cost of a devastating regret. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I will speak about the importance of the early morning rising. Most of the great people or most of the iconic people that we have seen up to date, they have only one habit common to all of them. That was, they were used to get up early in the morning. We feel that and we think that the extraordinary people, they have become extraordinary because they had inherited capacity. They are inborn extraordinary. It is not like that. But they have implemented certain habits and certain routine in their life. This is a day-to-day habit, and that makes them legend. And if we follow their footsteps, then it is possible for us also. We can become legend. We can become extraordinary. Everyone is born with the opportunity. Now it is his responsibility to become a legend or to become extraordinary or iconic, and he can do it. One can do it. Only thing what is hindrance in our progress is our fear is greater than our faith. Another thing, we calculate our self-worth with our net worth, and we calculate and we evaluate our achievement with the collection and not by cultivation of characters. We have to focus on our characters. The great thing that happens in one's life, it is because they revolutionize their habits on day-to-day basis, and it is possible for us to become more productive, to become more creative, to become more performer, and to remain happy and peaceful. It is only possible when we follow morning routine, that is to get up early in the morning by 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. And it is not that most of the people, those who get up early in the morning, they become all successful or they become all extraordinary. It's not like that. What is important is what you do when you get up early in the morning. In the first 1 or 2 hours, that is important. Most of the people, when they get up early in the morning, they go on listening to the news, they go on replying messages, they go on surfing nets, they go on listening or viewing certain videos which are unnecessary videos and which are useless. They will not improve their life condition. Ordinary people can become extraordinary if they revolutionize their habits. At first it is hard, in the middle it is messy, but at the end it becomes gorgeous, everything. So you make the habit of getting up early in the morning and you work on the self-mastery. These are called victory hours, and these morning hours are the victory hours. If you want to become victorious in your life, then you have to study and you have to follow 20-20-20 rule that I will discuss later. What is 20-20-20 rule? When you get up early in the morning, you can unleash your potential and you can break the bars and you can head towards the legendary. These are the benefits of getting up early in the morning. It is not that there is a time gap between waking up and getting up. Most of the people, they wake up by 5 o'clock but they get up by 6 o'clock. So this time during waking up and getting up, what you are doing, what you are thinking, what you are planning, this is important, especially in waking up and getting up time. If it is difficult for you to get up early in the morning, then you should punish yourself if you don't get up early in the morning. And the punishment is, you can say, You make a habit that and you decide that if you are not able to get up in the morning, even if the alarm buzz, then you should punish you by tearing 50 rupees note every day as a punishment for you. Then see, from the next day, because of loss of 50 rupees, you will definitely going to get it by 5 o'clock as soon as the alarm buzz. Every habit can be created depending upon the desire. The intense and burning desire, if you possess, then you can create this habit. Anything which is done consistently over a period of a time, then it becomes habit. Don't consider life is a small candle, but life is a brilliant torch, and you lit it to the extreme brilliance that the next generation will get benefit from your torch. That means you get and you learn more and more knowledge. You lift yourself to uplift others. You have limited time in your life. Don't think that you are going to live for 1,000 years and then you will do. Whatever the time you get, you consider it is valuable, and if the time is gone, then you cannot buy that time. Even 1 second or 1 minute you cannot buy with money. So every moment of yours is important. Don't waste your valuable time, and don't do for the sake of the people, and don't do in accord of the people, and don't demoralize your opinions, your thoughts and your focus for the sake of a people. Don't feel victimized, don't criticize, don't blame others for not doing. It is your procrastination. You are procrastinating to get up early in the morning, and once you decide, what you are saying is, I will get up from tomorrow. There are n number of reasons your mind gives when the time arrives in the morning, when the alarm buzz. That time you give n number of reasons not to get up, but give only one reason to get up early in the morning. Surely you will get up in the morning. If you want to become legend, if you want to do something extraordinary, then if you want to do something extraordinary, the 5% people in the world are doing or had done, then you have to do the things the 95% of the people are not doing. But these 5% of the people who have done it, they were also not willing to do, but somehow they have done it, and so they became legends. So every caterpillar has to become butterfly. Every caterpillar has to fly in the sky. Now it is a time for you to become butterfly, to soar high in the sky, and it is possible only when you unleash your potential. When you get up early in the morning, then you will develop more confidence, your intelligence power will increase, your relationship will increase, your thinking power will increase, you will get the new form of your life. You will fashion yourself, you will craft yourself by getting up early in the morning and doing right things in the early morning. As you live each day, you craft your life every day. We are so focused for the future that we have ignored the everyday improvement. We have ignored the everyday routines. But if we focus on everyday, the day turns into the weeks, and the weeks into the months, and months into the years. So every day small little improvement in our life will produce stunning result in the future. If we improve every day by 1%, then by the 1 month time you will improve by 30%, and by 1 year time you will improve by 365%. Anything which is done efficiently for a period of a time, for a while, will not produce result. But anything which is done inefficiently but consistently for a prolonged period of a time will yield fruitful results. So a small revolution in our daily routines, in our daily habits will bring a magnificent result. A wishbone without a backbone will not give result. Means what? We have desires, we are dreaming, but we don't want to act. Our wish and our desires to be fulfilled, we have to get the support of a backbone that is getting up early in the morning. And if we do so, we will become legend by performing 20-20-20 formula. I'll tell you what is 20-20-20 formula. 20-20-20 formula, that is when you get up early in the morning, 20 minutes, first 20 minutes we should give for exercise. But before that, before letting your feet down, you must feel gratitude. You must be thankful to the God who has given you life after your death. A sleep is a kind of a death. And after that, He has given one day more opportunity to do something good, to do something better and best in your life and for the others. He has given you one day extra to contribute to the society. He has given you one day extra to explore your potential. He has given you one day extra to help others. He has given you one day extra to be more thankful. We are less thankful. The reason is we are focusing on the problems. We are not focusing on what we have. When we start focusing on what we have, then we will become more grateful. And it is the only gratefulness to what you possess will take you high and will cause inner peace. And if you focus on what other possesses, you will become restless, you will become depressed, you will become irritable. So first thing you have to do early in the morning is gratitude. Quran says, لَإِن شَكَرْتُمْ لَأَزِيدَنَّكُمْ. If you become thankful, then I will give you extra, more. And if you become ungrateful, then Allah is self-sufficient. Allah is not in need of your praise. Allah is not in need of your thankfulness. If you start counting the favors the God has given to you, innumerable favors He has given you, you cannot count. وَإِن تَعُدُّوا نِعْمَةَ اللَّهِ لَا تُحْصُوهَا. In 20 minutes, when you get up early in the morning, 20 minutes you should spend for exercise. It depends upon 20 minutes to half an hour to 1 hour. It is up to you. But you should exercise till you sweat. This will produce multiple effects in your body. One thing, a cortisol, that is called as a fear hormone, which is released from adrenal cortex, is in stress. But because of exercise, this cortisol hormone level decreases, and due to that we feel less stress. Second hormone that is released is called brain derived neurotropic hormone. This brain derived neurotropic hormone, this causes repair of a brain cell damage which is caused due to stress, and this causes more neural connections, and this increases your thinking power and your processing in the brain. Next hormone that is released is called dopamine, which is a driving hormone that initiate or that causes you to do something. And another hormone that is released is norepinephrine, This norepinephrine provides you to become more attentive, and the serotonin is also released. This serotonin is responsible for your happiness. And also another thing that happens is it burns fat, extra fat. That will add to your longevity. It will increase your age. It will maintain your heart when you get long life. You can uplift more to yourself and to others. So these are the benefit of the 20 minutes you spend early in the morning. The next 20 minutes are also important. The next 20 minutes, what you have to do is, you have to reflect. That is called as self-awareness. Reflect on yourself. That is what are your ambitions? What is your focus? What is your determination? What is your relationship? What you are doing now? What you are thinking now? What are your emotions? Everything about the self you have to get aware of. You have to reflect. Not only all the positive things you have to think about, but you have to think about the negative things, that is your disappointments, your causes of stress. You have to think about that. To whom you have hurt yesterday, and to rectify all these lacunae which are present in you. This is a reflection you have to do every morning. You have to plan for a day. You have to make a diary. You have to write down what you are going to do in this day, during whole day. What you are going to read, what you are going to listen, and what you are going to see, the things. Which book you want to complete, which work you have to complete, that you have to make planning. We all people are without plan. If you fail to plan, you are sure to fail. Mark Twain has said, after 20 years of life, you will get disappointed by what you have not done in the last 20 years than what you do in the last 20 years. Sureness of the growth is less expensive than the cost of a devastating regret. You should not carry your past in the presence. You bundle up your past and throw it in the dustbin. Past should not hinder your fabulous future. Don't allow your past to enter into the future and to the present. This is the way you can become extraordinary. Now next 20 minutes you have to spend on uplifting yourself to gain more knowledge. You must have learning attitude. You have to read spiritual books. You have to read motivational books. You have to uplift yourself so that you will uplift others. You have to read the histories of the iconic people. You have to listen to the audios and videos, see videos which will help you to develop yourself, to develop your personality, and which will improve your thinking. These 20 minutes you should give yourself to increase your knowledge. This is what a 20-20-20 formula. It is not hard and fast that you should do it for only 20-20-20 minutes. This is one formula, but you can implement it as per your choice. These last 20 minutes, don't spend your time in vain talk. Don't spend your time in doing unnecessary things that will not help to improve yourself. Don't spend your time in viewing news and seeing what happens in the world. Don't. Thank you for today.